Did you know that many cement plants lose up to 30% of their efficiency because of compressed air leaks? Compressed air powers critical operations across the plant. But when leaks occur, the entire system becomes less efficient. What makes this worse is that most leaks are small, silent, and easy to overlook. Yet even a tiny leak can waste thousands of cubic feet of air every month, leading to unnecessary energy costs and excessive load on your compressors. With proper inspection, regular maintenance, and trained staff, plants can recover up to 20–30% efficiency immediately. And this is where AIIA helps. AIIA can train your staff to detect, prevent, and eliminate compressed air leaks using proven industrial techniques. Get your staff trained with AIIA and boost your plant's efficiency today.